The following script was written, verified, and approved by compliance professionals at financial regulation courses. Under Section 2(a)(1) of the Securities Act of 1933, a security is broadly defined to include notes, stocks, bonds, and investment contracts. This statutory definition forms the bedrock of federal regulation, determining which instruments fall under SEC oversight. For Series 65 candidates, mastering this definition is essential as it separates regulated securities from non-security assets. Understanding what qualifies and what does not is foundational for any industry professional navigating the complex landscape of both federal and state law. The definitive framework for identifying securities is the Howey test, established by the Supreme Court in 1946. This four-part test determines if an arrangement constitutes an investment contract. An investment contract exists when there is an investment of money in a common enterprise with an expectation of profits derived predominantly from the efforts of others. All four elements must be met for the instrument to be classified as a security. Whether analyzing limited partnerships or digital assets, the Howey test remains the legally controlling standard today. This ensures that novel financial structures cannot evade investor protection requirements simply by avoiding conventional labels. Securities encompass conventional vehicles like stock, bonds, and mutual funds. Conversely, many assets fall outside this definition. Commodity futures, regulated by the CFTC, are not securities. Direct ownership of real estate, physical commodities like gold, and collectibles are also excluded. While these are certainly investments, they do not involve the efforts of others in the same regulatory sense. Identifying these exclusions is critical, as transactions in non-securities are not subject to the registration requirements or the specific anti-fraud provisions of the Federal Securities Acts. Jurisdictional boundaries are clarified by the National Securities Markets Improvement Act of 1996, which established federal covered securities. These include exchange-listed stocks and mutual funds, which are exempt from state registration. However, state administrators retain authority over non-covered securities under local blue sky laws. Regardless of registration status, the anti-fraud provisions of Rule 10b-5 apply to all securities transactions. This means material misstatements are prohibited in every security sale, providing a universal layer of investor protection across both federal and state jurisdictions everywhere. In summary, remember the Howey test's four pillars and the clear distinction between stocks and bonds versus futures and direct real estate. Mastery of these definitions is vital for success on the Series 65 exam. Visit www.financialregulationcourses.com for premium finance resources, industry terminology, and exam preparation. Access exclusive career tools designed to help graduates secure roles in financial markets and professionals advance their careers. We are dedicated to your professional development and helping you succeed in the world of financial regulation.